In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Jiji app. So if you want to get the latest version of this app or to fix any issues related to this app, then you need to go ahead and update it. So by updating this app, you'll also be able to fix most of the problems you have been experiencing. Now to update this app, you need to go ahead and look for the Jiji app either on Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, therefore I'll go to Play Store. From Play Store, just go ahead and search for Jiji, and this will go ahead and show you Jiji app. And here it is, Jiji Kenya Buy and Sell Online. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Jiji app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you'll have the latest version of Jiji app, which is more secure. Now you can proceed and tap on open to start using it. So that's how you can get the latest version of Jiji app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.